can count on IME. We bring your innovative solutions to life with our professional metal craftsmanship. We take to heart your need is our priority. We are committed to delivering your projects on time with you entirely satisfied. When it comes to your needs, you can count on IME. With professional design, high-quality production, and expert installation. IME meets every need with close cooperation between our entire team to ensure we match your every need with accuracy and precision. You can count on IME. Your need is our priority.